The Lion and the Clever Ape. In the heart of a dense jungle, there lived a majestic lion named Leo and a clever ape named Andy. Leo was known as the king of the jungle, and he ruled with strength and courage. The other animals respected and feared him. One day, a clever ape named Andy decided to approach Leo. He had heard of the lion's wisdom and strength and thought that perhaps he could find a way to live in harmony with the jungle's powerful ruler. With a mixture of courage and respect, Andy approached Leo's "Dean me with your own words." Leo, seeing the ape, asked,
What brings you here, little ape?"
Great Lion, I have come to offer my wisdom and intelligence to assist you in ruling this jungle. I may not have your strength, but I have a clever mind and a heart that desires peace among all creatures.
Leo was intrigued. He saw potential in Andy's offer and decided to test his wit. "Very well, little ape."
Leo said, "If you can solve this riddle, I shall consider your proposal."
The lion posed the riddle.
"I am fierce and mighty, yet I can be as gentle as a breeze. I was born in the jungle, yet I protect it. What am I?"
Andy thought for a moment and then smiled.
The answer is you, Great Lion. You are fierce when you need to be, but you also protect the jungle and its inhabitants from external threats. You are both fierce and gentle.
Leo was impressed with the ape's answer. He nodded and said,
"You have solved the riddle, and you have shown wisdom. I accept your offer, Andy. Let us work together to ensure peace and harmony in the jungle."